Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I did these really cute, really easy, knotless crochet braids, okay? So I hope you guys like this video, but let's go ahead and get into it. So these are the braids that I already pre-braided myself because the back I'm going to put pre-braided braids in it. And here I'm just showing you all the stuff I'm going to use. Clips, gel, and a comb is basically all you're going to need. Oh, and of course, braiding hair. So what I did first was just part my hair down the middle. All right, y'all. So after I parted my hair in the middle, I just parted it from ear to ear as well. And then I put the back part in a little puff or whatever. Now, this front section here is what I'm going to use to do like basically the individual knotless crochet braids. And then the back is just going to be, y'all will see. But anyway, so what you want to do, make sure your hair is moisturized. I'm moisturizing my hair with Care's hair crack. It's really good and I love it. It always keeps my hair moisturized. All right, y'all. So now what you want to do is the first section in the front, you want to part it off into squares and then twist it up just like you're doing two strand twists. And so that's what I did to basically my whole head, but just the front row was like more, neater and everything like that. Once you got all of your two strand twists in your head, you just want to take your twists and twist them going straight back, leaving the front row free. So you know how you would braid straight to the back? You're just going to twist your hair, flat twist it, straight to the back. Super easy, no braiding needed or anything like that. Just go ahead, flat twist it straight to the back. Now, when I did my twist, you want to do the twist in the front to the size of the braid that you want. So I kind of wanted mine blue. That's why I kind of have more braids in the front. Anyways, this is how it looks in the back, y'all. As you can see, everything is in place. I twisted everything back, and then I'm just going to bobby pin the tail end of my twist. You can bobby pin it or sew it down. I actually recommend sewing it down, but it's completely up to you. Okay, y'all, so this is the fun slash important part. You want to get you some braiding hair, the size of the braid that you want. You want to divide it into two pieces. Now, this is what's going to make it knotless. You know how a cross goes, like one side up, one side across. That's how you want to crochet this hair in. So as you can see, this piece of braiding hair is going from side to side. The next piece of braiding hair that I'm going to crochet in is going to be going up and down, just like a cross. So just like you're seeing here, so once you have it crisscross like a cross, you want to take the top piece, bring it all the way down, and then the two side pieces that you had, those are going to be your first and second leg. So to braid you need 3 strands. So now all you do is just continue to braid. So basically your twist, you want to tuck that twist in the hair. And it's so easy, y'all. I really, really hope I'm explaining well to y'all. But if not, please forgive me. But y'all, it's super easy. And I do have more footage to kind of explain what I'm doing. Okay, so while y'all watch these few clips here, I'm going to explain to y'all something that some people may ask because I did not show it in this video, and that's how I installed the back. With the back, like I mentioned before, I already had pre-braided some hair, some braids, so I just simply crochet those in the normal crochet way that you would normally crochet your braids in. That's what I did in the back. I just wanted it to look more nice and natural in the front, so that's why I decided to do it this way in the front with these knotless crochet braids, y'all. And also, if you don't want to leave out any hair, you just want to, just twist it up or whatever with no plaits in the front, I'm also going to show y'all how to do that, how to crochet knotless braids in on regular braid down or a regular twist down. All right, y'all. So the next day, and y'all, it shouldn't take y'all long to do this, but for me, it took me like probably 2 days because I kept stopping and, you know, just running after the baby and everything. So here's how you do it if you don't want to leave any plaits out in the front. You simply just crochet it through your twist or your braid just like you would normally do when you crochet it, but you're going to crochet going crisscross. So this piece is going to go up and down. See how it is? Just like that. And then what I'm going to do is, okay, so then as you can see here, I'm just going to crochet the other piece, making the cross like we talked about before. And then I'm just going to start to braid it going down. And like I said, this is the way you can do it if you don't want to leave the plaits out in the front. It'll still look knotless because, I mean, it's like an invisible knot. But yeah, it's really simple, really easy, and really cute. Y'all just look over my parting because I'm not the best parter at parting my own hair. So I just did, you know, my best. But yeah. All right, y'all. So first of all, I'm sorry about this light. Okay. But I am done, y'all, and this is how everything is looking. I put some edge control on my edges, but I guess it wasn't strong enough, so it didn't hold. But this is how the braids are looking, y'all. I love them. So basically what I did was the knotless crochet method, like in the front. And then in the back, I just did like regular crochet. You know what I'm saying? So, um, I did that, and then afterwards I just dipped the ends in hot water and then trimmed the ends, which means get all the little straggly pieces away or whatever. But I love this hair. Like, I got this hair from Uther hair on Amazon. They sent it to me a while back to review, but I'm just now putting it in. As y'all can see, this color is bomb.com. Some of them are bigger, but that's fine. And y'all, it's not as heavy as I thought it would be, okay? So that's good. So anyways, let me kind of explain more what I did. So basically this method is braidless, so you know, no braids. You don't have to use any braiding, as in, you know, like scalp braids, because a lot of people can plait, which this is a plait, and a lot of people don't know how to actually to the scalp braid. So this is a method that you can use if you're not familiar with scalp braiding, or if you don't know how to scalp braid. And here's a little tip: if it's your first time doing the braids and they look all right, but you know you got some little stragglies here and there, just bobby pin it down, girl. It's completely fine. Just bobby pin your imperfections, because sometimes we think that we try a hairstyle on YouTube, it's supposed to be perfect the first time, but it's not. So just, you know, bobby pin your hair or whatever. Just, you know, do what works for you. What else? Okay, so as y'all saw a while ago, if you don't want to leave like plaits out like I did in the front, I also was able to crochet some braiding hair onto the braid that I had, well, the twist that I did straight to the back, and then I was also able to do an invisible braid on that. I love this hair, y'all. Let me, wait, I need to sit up. My hair, y'all, this is how it's looking at the Ritz. I love it. It looks really pretty. This color is really blind and really bomb. So yeah. So anyways, I just wanted to do that little intro. What I'm gonna do is yeah, just do my outro, show y'all a little different styles that I will be wearing it in and whatnot. But I hope y'all like this video. And another thing, I did these this way for a reason, and that's because I had all this braiding hair. I used 6 packs of braiding hair, well, actually 7, but I had all this braiding hair and I didn't know what to do with it. So I pre-braided the crochet that I put in the back. So I braided them before I actually installed them, and then in the front is where I just used the other braiding hair to do my knotless braids or whatever. But if you want to do this a different way, an easier way, you can buy the hair that's already pre-looped, the braids that's already pre-looped, and then just get you 1 pack of regular braiding hair so you don't have to pre-braid it yourself. But that's just something that I decided to do. But it will be 10 times faster if you just go ahead and buy the pre-braided braids and then install those in the back and then do the knotless method in the front. But anyways, y'all, that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hope y'all like this look. Let me know what y'all think. But anyways, I'll talk to y'all later. Alright, y'all, so as y'all already know, that's the end of this video. I hope y'all like this video. I hope you learned something from this video. I really appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on TikTok, y'all, at Slate by Tamia. Follow me on Instagram at Slate by Tamia. And yeah, I'll see y'all later.